Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic is about the reflex action. Previously we discussed the nervous system in detail. We discussed the brain and the spinal cord. These are the part of the central nervous system. And we also discussed the peripheral nervous system. And here we discuss the reflex actions. Basically our topic is about the pathways which are followed by the nervous system to performing the different types of functions. So that today we discuss about the reflex action. You know that nerve impulses are moved from central nervous system towards the muscles or glands, and these are act as the coordinators. So the other the other process which is proceeded then starts from here. So that these muscles and glands, when the nerve impulses are passes towards the muscles and the glands, these muscles and glands performs the different functions, and these functions or actions may be the voluntary actions or may be the involuntary action. During discussing the nervous system, we also discuss about the voluntary action and involuntary action. So what is voluntary action? The actions which are under control, our will power. So that these actions are known as the voluntary actions, and involuntary actions, those actions which are not by our under control or our willpower. So that these actions is known as the involuntary action. The heart center of brain controls the voluntary actions, means those actions which are under conscious control is known as the voluntary actions, and these actions are controlled by the brain heart center. So those actions which are didn't controlled by the our consciousness are known as the involuntary actions. Like the examples of voluntary actions, the movement of our muscles is by under control, like the writing, running, talking. These are the processes which are under control, our willpower. So that these actions are known as the voluntary actions. And involuntary actions, those actions, those responses which are not are under control, like our breathing processes, our heartbeat rate. So our heart muscles, these muscles are not under control, so that the muscles which are performing the actions are present in the heart and the other organs like kidney and liver. These muscles perform the involuntary actions. So that basically we discuss the involuntary action in detail. In involuntary action we discuss the reflex action and reflex arc. The responses which are done through the involuntary actions, these responses are very quick and fast, so that these responses are known as the reflex action, means those actions which are performed by the involuntary actions are known as the reflex actions, or the pathway which is followed by the reflex action. Nerve impulse is followed by a pathway which is done during the reflex action is known as the reflex arc. So what is reflex action? What is reflex action? The response which is done during the involuntary action is known as the reflex action, and the pathway which is followed during the reflex action is known as the reflex arc. Here today we discuss an important example. This example shows the involuntary action or reflex action, reflex arc. Basically in this example we discuss the coordinated action pathway. When we discuss the coordinated action, we discuss the stimuli, receptor, coordinators, effectors, and then response. These are the 5 components which are the part of the coordinated action. So that all these components are the part of the coordinated action. In this example, in involuntary actions we discuss 5 of these components of the coordinated action.